final checks. That. Those are clear. All right, arming the aircraft.
We fly a very small plot in Logan, and we use a MegaSense camera called an Altum PT, which provides us with 7 spectral bands that enable us to look at different aspects of vegetation. So we can assess the health of vegetation. We can look at the thermal characteristics of vegetation, whether they're perhaps receiving enough water, are areas overwatered. Really can vary from flying rivers, looking at fish habitat, flying cities, looking at sort of structures. I mean, it's just so broad. Back in 2006, the aim was to really concentrate on how we could enhance the sort of research in water-related issues. Kelly's come to us and asked for specific requirements, and I've said, yes, we can do it. We had a discussion about the imagery we could provide, and it went from there, basically.